Impedance – combined effect of resistances and reactances in an AC circuit. Inertial frame of reference coordinate system in which the law of inertia is valid. Insulators – a material with a very high electric resistivity. Ionization potential – the energy needed to remove the electron from an atom or molecule to infinite distance. Laser light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Logic gate electronic circuit which implements various logic operations. Magnetic induction – magnetization of a substance by an external magnetic field. Mass defect – it is the difference between the mass of the separated nucleons and the combined mass of the nucleus. Mass number – total number of protons and neutrons in a nucleus. Modulation – the process of combining the low-frequency signal with a high-frequency radio wave. Mutual inductance – a phenomenon in which a changing current in one coil produces EMF in other coil. NAVASTAR – navigation system based on Einstein theory of relativity. Nucleons, protons and neutron in the nucleus. Nuclear energy – energy derived from nuclear reactions either by fission or by fusion. Nuclear fission – disintegration of atomic nucleus into two or more fragments with the emission of huge amount of energy. Nuclear reactor – a device in which controlled nuclear fission reaction takes place.